were the best years of my life. I was knocked down 3 times, but kept coming back alive. And then one day, off the South China Sea, I lift off my aircraft carrier. I look down at my gauges, flying around with this, and I can see something flickering. I said, oh my God. Here I am with rockets, machine gun, a crew of 5. I go, oh my God. It's called the NG gauge. It meant there was something wrong with my turbans. Suddenly, boom, the thing quits. The stomach comes up. All of a sudden, I'm looking down like this, and the natural tendency for anybody in that situation is to pull back, pull back. But the Marine Corps and Navy trains us so well, the moment that engine quit, we're trained by practice to push forward. So the people that will be successful in this room are the people that when it gets tough, you push forward.
Hey guys, Nick Nanton here, host and producer of In Case You Didn't Know. In case you didn't know, the full episode can be enjoyed right now on Amazon Prime, and I invite you to join me there. Also, if you liked this short clip, I'd love for you to leave a comment below and share it with your friends. See you on Amazon Prime. Take care.